So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. Wow, beautiful fresh pixie haircut. Now this pixie is on the longer side. It features some beautiful face framing bangs. Lots of body and texture within this cut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we do have another pixie haircut here. Gorgeous asymmetrical shape. And then we see someone with long mid-length hair. And it looks like she's also going to be getting a pixie style. So far we've had nothing but pixies. Beautiful asymmetrical cut with this one as well, and it really features some nice fringe bangs. Very nice. She looks absolutely gorgeous with this change. Next up, we see someone with curly hair. And she has decided to shake things up with this beautiful pixie. This one features some baby bangs in the front, long sideburns. And then we move on to the next transformation. Looks like this one will feature a bob. Beautiful bangs being added. Oh, very nice French girl style bob. And that is, of course, a very popular hair trend we're seeing in 2023. And she also has like a mini bob going here, very short and sweet. There's another look at that pixie hair transformation once again. So much body within that cut. And she has a lot of hair left to play around with when it comes to styling. So here we have someone who already has a pixie. Looks like they're gonna get a buzz cut. I have a question for those that like to cut their hair. Is it addictive? Because I feel like at some point it becomes addictive. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut. And her hair looks so much healthier now that it is cut into a bob. Oh wow, very nicely done. So it looks like we have another pixie style here. Lots of spiky, choppy texture within this one. Great way to add some volume to the pixie style if your hair is on the thinner side, or if you just want to add in more shape. Alright you guys, so we're going to end today's video with this beautiful bob haircut. This one features kind of like an ombre with the coloring. She does have some grown out blonde going on, center part down the middle. Very chic and stylish bob. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.